China. Where do you study?
I studied at Harvard University for almost 10 years now. And then I met him at the net, and we met here in the Philippines. It was a love at first sight, and then
So, what did you feel when you first saw him?
there's this spark and big ticklish effect on me. Even touches my skin, the contact between the two of us.
So, what part of his body do you like most?
He's down. Please.
Why do you like his
Because it's so long, it's size 11. Size 11. So hard to touch because it's below. So I'm always kneeling to touch it.
Okay.
First time.
So, do you currently look pregnant?
Yes, for almost 5 months already.
Are you already married?
It's so fast. We're not yet married, but we're planning to get married on next year, July next year.
So I've heard that Athena Santos will ruin your marriage because Athena Santos has a big crush on you
Does it
and she loves you very much.
No. I won't let her. I'll kill her first. That maldita, so maldita, and that Mason Wheeler.
I've heard that she's prettier than you and sexier than you.
No.
Yes.
Just look at her thighs and the tummy. So like beer belly, full of beer. Like 1 case a day. My God.
And I've also heard that you have a problem. You have an eating disorder.
No, it's my stepsister, Isma. It's Isma.
So what do you plan? What name are you going to give your son or daughter?
If it's a daughter, it would be Janrika. If it's a boy, it would be John Rick II. I love my honey so much.
Okay,
So
so final words. What is your message for your honey?
honey, wherever you are, I love you. Don't mind Mason Mille. She's annoying. Just don't see each other again. Thank you, that's all. YouTube
Ito naman, interview naman natin to. Asawa mo? Kabit ka lang pala,
Showbiz
Macy.
nga kasi ako na bigla ako ipapakita sa akin.
Game na.
Si ano yan? Parang ako si Chris, tas yan si ano,
James Yap.
James Yap. Hindi nagsasalita sa showbiz.
Yung kabit na nag-hit ko.
That Mason Wheel is so annoying. Get out of here.
How about Athena Santos?
What's your reaction?
Yeah.
What's your reaction about JC going in?
I've known it from the start. And I think I can
Kill him first.
kill him first. So, Mr. Talagan, what did you like most about Jana?
Carolina.
Carolina. Oh my God! He's cheating on you! He's cheating on you!
What do you call this in Tagalog?
Secretary.
Yung salawahan?
Sailing on 2 rivers at the same time!
Yes. But I'm the bigger river. Some people.
Tignan ko man yun. So what can you say about what's your message to Jana? So Miss Secretary, what's your boss's message to Jana Carolina?
Peace off, girl.
What's your boss's message to Jana Carolina? Nothing? Why? Why is he speechless? Oh my God, you're cheating on your wife. Your wife disappeared.
Nakakilabot pala. Ay, joke lang. Nakakilabot.
Sister,
Pagkakuray mo yan, ha? Pagkapagtas yun.
this is Jana Carolina's sister.
Uy, matun ako, hindi ako kumaha.
Sister,
Bakit sister?
Juana Gabriela.
Liza Ismael.
Ay, Juana Gabriela. At tatawagin na natin si Sal, ang lola ng